Hey guys, welcome back to the Unknown. Today I will be showing you how to make my origami boat model. This model is designed by me. I know there's a lot of other boat models you can make, but this is my version of a boat. So, taking it down here, you could see that is the original and the only boat model I had made that I randomly found and decided to make it out of proper paper. So today we're going to be making that using this. My paper size is 15 by 15 centimeters. So, okay, I'm gonna be keeping this down and using this as a reference. It's actually pretty simple. So we want the color inside. You can keep it outside too if you want. So what I'm going to be showing you for color inside, right? So okay, for color inside the box, just like you see here inside, I'm gonna turn white side up and then fold on one diagonal. That. Then let me see here. We fold on one diagonal for that. Okay. Then we fold the other diagonal. So, but instead of doing the white side up, we take colored side up and we fold the second diagonal. Actually, I'm not sure about that. Wait a minute. Never mind, I'm pretty sure about that. I think this is common for both things, like if you're doing colored or non-colored side inside. Okay. So once you have that, you can still switch your choice if you want, because it's literally the same on both sides. Now we're going to be doing colored side inside. So you want to keep the crease you can see more better, like it is vertical. And okay, I should probably keep this here. Like I'm gonna turn this around because this is the white. Yeah. Okay. So we have this side. Now I think I know. Right. Okay. We want to fold this here. Not the full thing, only to that point here. And fold. And then do it on all the other three sides, because this board is symmetrical. I have not redesigned this. I only made once randomly, and that's the one I'm using for reference right now. Okay, that's two. I think I did go ahead with that kind of design and make a flat banana model, which I think, if I'm not too lazy, one day I will publish. It's a banana because I made it of yellow paper, and then that's how my pumpkin model came around. Actually, I don't think I've ever showed that on the channel. Yes, everything, make sure it's to that point. If it goes outside, it's going to be marks, but they won't be they won't be noticed. It's fine. And this is anyways supposed to be an easy model. Yeah, this is one of the easy models. Probably a 4 out of 10 rating, I guess. Okay. Once we have this, I have to use this again. Because this is the inside, right? Okay, and 1 second. Okay, I guess now we have to fold this and fold this like this. And we do it for the opposite side too. This is how it should look. now you want to just, you can unfold one of them and then take this point and fold it to here. I think we did something similar in my modular flower, but again that has not been shown on the channel. It's interesting how I'm talking about the future models. Maybe I should start working on them. But for now, I think we're getting 4 origami videos coming this week. Not sure. I just know that I'm gonna film them. I don't know about this week, whatever week it is. Okay. Once you have this, you can unfold the whole thing this side and repeat on this side. Wait, what? Seems that I folded this wrong. Alright, I did. The paper got lifted up slightly and that's a huge issue. Okay, I fixed it. Nothing to worry about here. And now we can do the same thing I was doing before. That. And it should be all good. Now you want to, I believe, let me check what happens here. Right, this is the inside. Okay. Right, so we want to push it in. We want to push this thing inside. Why is it only reverse fold? Did I fold it wrong? I knew it. I thought I folded it wrong and I did. Did I? Because everything is in reverse fold. I think I can't help that. I think it's gonna be there, whatever I do. Okay. Right. So I think I've got this down. It would look like this with this flap like thing coming. And then you want to do it on the opposite side too. Okay, finally. Now, I think there's only one more main step left, so we have to unfold everything. Don't worry, it's not going to be that difficult keeping everything back. Now, I think it's important which direction it should be. Right, okay. 1 to 4, actually no, sorry. Okay, so here's the thing. This point to this point, the straight lines gonna pass. We're gonna pass to the center. Okay, we're gonna fold on that. What I recommend, get 1 point, you can get the center. Because it's really hard to get even one of the points. Pretty sure you're looking at my hair, but okay. That, then you try to find the other point slowly. And I think I found it. Yeah. This is what forms the board shape. This is one of the main creases. And then you do it again. Here to here. Oh look, it's not passing through the middle. Looks like I did something wrong. Okay, and you can see it's a little off from the middle, slightly slightly off, not too much. Now we will just go ahead and fold what we did before, like that, like that, and then just ignore these folds for now. Actually no, we're not, yeah, we're supposed to ignore them for now. Okay, now what I believe you should do is you take this, move it to this side, and then fold, right? And then you want to fold it in like this, like a full fold. So yeah, like that. Then you want to do the same on the opposite side, I believe. Yeah, as you can see here, they're on opposite sides. For this, and then I think we can reverse fold this first. That would be better, right? Reverse fold. I mean, fold it this way, then you can reverse fold. That's what I meant. And there, we are done with the boat. Now you just open this and make sure, and then lift this, push on this side, and there you have gotten your boat. It's a little weird here at center because it was off center. There you go, and that is your boat model. So you can try straightening these. Try to reverse fold them, I guess. That is the origami board created by me. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.